Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here, Val, and welcome to the new update on BitTorrent. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that BitTorrent has first broken out a very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and after that, the price then recently broke out another down channel on the daily time frame chart as well. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this down channel, the price then could not break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 108 and goes to 115. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance zone is a very long-term support and resistance level that had been previously breaking as a resistance here from the month of May 2022 up till the month of August 2022. And here for a few weeks, it has been breaking as a support. And now after the breakdown, it is again flipped into a strong resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout from this long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for BitTorrent that I shared a few days ago on 9th of September 2024 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for BitTorrent that I shared on 9th of September 2024 with my members. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal bad move that BitTorrent was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart, on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone and the sell target zone, and below this level was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then dropped more down and completed the leg here. Then we had a nice reversal, and so far it has pumped almost 10%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of BitTorrent. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, even for the past several months, since after the month of March 2024, BitTorrent was moving inside this long-term down channel. You can see that we got rejection here, bounce here, rejection here. Then we had another rejection here, bounce, rejection. This was almost another bounce. And finally, we have broken out the resistance of the channel after the breakout. The price then retested the previous resistance as support and geared up. And now it is rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from 115 and goes to 108. This is a quite long-term resistance zone, by the way. You can see that for the past for the past several weeks or months, it had been breaking as a support zone here and resistance here, resistance here. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that previously it had been breaking as support zone here, and for several weeks it had been breaking as a resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it is breaking as a strong resistance for the price line of BitTorrent. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at 210. And here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And after the breakout, we had a very, very powerful rally. If I place this measurement tool from this low to here, then you can see that it falls more than 511% pump, but the price was rejected by this long-term resistance of 220 that was previously breaking as a resistance here, and again broke as a resistance here as well. And in my opinion, after the breakout from this channel, it can soon make another attempt to break out this resistance of 220 as well. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that long-term target is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 255. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.